Finisher's Edge aerosol stain comes in 16 trend colors. The aerosol makes it easy to apply and creates less of a mess. Before staining, I've sanded this board up to 180 grit using a random orbital sander. The more you sand, the less stain will be absorbed by the wood. So if you want more color in this wood, sand to 120 or 150. I like 180 for this color I'm using now, which is briar. The first thing you should do when you pick up an aerosol can is look at the label, make sure that it is aerosol stain and not flat black. Shake the can, and this is just fine. You don't have to shake it so the marbles bounce off the top of the can, for 1 minute. You need to shake for 1 minute to make sure that you properly agitated all the pigments in the bottom of the can. Spray the board like you're applying spray paint. You want a reasonable, generous coat. So I'm going to spray the edges first. And then I'm going to come back and spray the rest of the board, overlapping 50%. It really should look like spray paint when you apply it, but make sure you wipe off the excess. Some woodworkers say that they leave the stain on the wood for 15 or 20 minutes. That's going to create a mess in this case. So I'm going to take a towel, a heavy-duty shop towel from a home center or a hardware store will do, and I want to remove most of the excess from the top. Let that dwell for a moment, and then I'm going to come back with a clean towel and I'm going to wipe this one more time to level out the application of stain. If you miss a spot, you can spray it again, wipe it down. There you have your board all stained and ready to go. These rags with the oily pigment in them are going to catch on fire. They are fire starters. So I usually keep a can full of water in here, put those rags in the can. Later I'll take them out, wring them out, let them dry, and then throw them away. Allow the stain to dry for 30 to 45 minutes, and then you can seal and top coat with lacquer, shellac, or an oil-based varnish. If you use a water-based finish, it's recommended that you wait overnight. For more information on the Finisher's Edge aerosol stains, go to mohawkfinishing.com.